Also new at 10, you could soon pay sales tax online if a bill makes its way through Congress. Right now, it's still a proposal over in the Senate. It would give states more power to have online businesses outside their borders collect sales tax. Our Kevin Schwaller is live right now to show what you can expect. Kevin?
Yeah, David, this would only apply to businesses making more than $1 million in out-of-state sales. So we're talking about places such as Amazon.com, maybe eBay. And we visited a store today here in Springfield. That's Hoover Music Company. It would not apply to this store. Still, an employee tells us the shop would be willing to collect those online taxes. When you walk into Hoover Music Company in Springfield, you can pick up an instrument. You can play it.
Chosen based off of how you feel and how you relate to them. A reproduction of the Stradivarius.
Donnie Kraft works in the shop. He notices that even if a customer is ready to buy, a lot of times they walk out without an instrument.
If you're looking at a $2,000 trumpet and a family can pay the exact same price for it with their local brick and mortar or get it online, but that brick and mortar is going to have to collect another $300 or $400 in taxes, then that family, knowing they can get away with not having to pay the taxes online, will elect to skip on the taxes.
That's because out-of-state businesses selling online aren't required to keep that state sales tax money. Now, a bill advancing in the U.S. Senate aims to help states get closer to getting that money.
So it's just a situation of leveling things out the way they should be.
Still, some choose online shopping to save, and this would create an uptick in the cost to the consumer.
Already, the shipping and stuff like that is pretty pricey, and I don't make a ton of money, so yeah, I would rather not have to pay that.
And in a letter to eBay customers, the president and CEO of the company said, "I hope you agree that imposing unnecessary tax burdens on small online businesses is a bad idea. Join us in letting your members of Congress know they should protect small online businesses, not potentially put them out of business." Now, the National Conference of State Legislatures estimates that states missed out on this number right here, more than $11 billion in this sales tax revenue. Now, in Missouri, it estimates that's about $210 million, a little bit more than that. Now, the interesting thing here is you're actually still supposed to be paying sales taxes or use taxes on these goods, but the stores aren't keeping them. You're actually supposed to report that yourself and send a check to the state. David?